Hello, everyone. This is Grand Madam from Grand Madam's Tarot. Grand Collective, I just got the bejesus scared out of me. I was sitting on the front porch when two fighter jets flew overhead, and they were flying in tandem, boy. I'm like, oh, wait a minute. What the heck is going on? This is the second time this week this has happened. Now, I do not live near an airport. So for them to be flying so low that if they weren't going so fast, I could see their markings, it wouldn't bother me. Like, Nazazi Alazi will surround this reading, my viewers, and myself, my home in this reading. So, the last time I saw jets fly like that, and they're flying under the clouds, uh, I was a little girl with my mommy and daddy at the air show at Andrews. And so, yeah, my spirit is vexed again. All right. So, I decided to do a reading real quick because I feel that there's something going on. First card I picked up says invisible. Okay. Second card, honesty. Third card, fulfillment. Fourth card, summons. Last card of the House of Night Wisdom deck, oath. Okay, summons and oath, they've been called into duty. All right? If somebody, the Jets have been called into duty. Evidently, the information is restricted. Someone's going to get satisfaction from this. I'm not the someone because they scared the bejesus out of me right about now. Now I want to know what the heck is going on. Just what the heck is going on. I tried grounding myself. I'm grounded with my sounds, but for so much. I'm not 100% because it's the sound. You know, some sounds are healing, other sounds are very discordant. And you haven't heard a sound until you've heard a jet fly over your house at Mach 1, breaking the sound barrier. Your whole house shakes and your windows shatter, you know. Yeah, been through that too. So for these guys to fly, or gals, to fly over me like this on a Saturday afternoon, yeah, they kind of shook my equilibrium. I got to find out what's going on. What is going on? Okay, tarot team is here. The angels are here. The cards are consecrated. I'm going to do the Celtic spread using the rider weights and whatever else I need to clarify. Why were those jets flying? They were flying west. Maybe southwest. Now, there is an air show down in Florida. The Blue Angels are flying. I would love to see that. I love the Blue Angels. Even though I'm an Air Force brat, I love the Blue Angels. Okay. Things moving slowly. That's the Knight of Pentacles. This is the Emperor. Well, we figured, I mean, they just don't go up in the air for nobody. And what's crossing that? Yeah, retirement? Something's been put to rest. Yeah, when those bad boys show up, a lot gets put to rest. All right, here's a public announcement. And what really bothered me is they were flying in tandem like this. Just two of them, like they were buddies. Making all that noise. Okay, well, there they are. And here again, the happy card on top of the fulfillment card. So maybe my nerves are bad for no reason. Maybe it is just an air show and they're on their way down. Okay, this is resistant to gossip and all kinds of other things. I'm beginning to feel a little better. Okay, we have happy families. Oh boy, we have the Empress. That's the boss lady. And we have judgment, decision. The decision is landing on the summons and the oath. So they were summoned here. Oh shit. Fundamental change. Oh my God. What's going on? Oh. Now we have the devil card. Fears, hopes, blockages, stoppages. Conflict. I was afraid of that. This is in the Mental challenge. This is my social media card. It's probably not going to be listed on social media, whatever's going on. The emotional card is a gathering of friends, or the gathering. Outcome. Oh boy, it's something up. I don't know what it is. I don't think this is an air show, folks. This is the card of manipulation. I don't know where they were flying. They looked like they were flying southwest. They scared the bejesus out of me, I'll tell you that, because I know what that means. For me as a child, that meant, oh God, my daddy was getting ready to leave again. Okay. Um, Fundamental change. I'm going to read the death card. Hold on a second. Scorpion energy. Yeah, I believe it's secret. Oh, yeah. The invisible. And what else? What other card was up here? The invisible and the death card. Stealth. Fundamental change. So why were those jets flying over my house? They're going somewhere, obviously. What's it about? What's the motivation? What's the death card? What is the death card? What is the death card? And they're flying below the clouds. Well, the clouds are so thick right now. We're getting the remnants of that hurricane. That's a mess because they have to fly under the clouds instead of through the clouds, because flying through the clouds, I read up on this, can mess up their instrumentation. And we don't want anything like that falling on our houses, okay? Oh, Jesus. Constancy and death. What in the world is going on? Where is it going on? There were only 2 jets. I have a lord and lady. Well, young woman. And now we have 2 other women. What is going on? Let me look at the bottom of the deck. Frivolity, melancholy, fortune, blah, 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 blah. All right, what I was looking for is not there. Okay, cool. That's okay, cool. Folks, I think things are going on we know nothing about right about now. Excuse me. What is the conflict? I have the devil and I have a conflict. There is a conflict going on here. So 2 fighter jets just went over my house heading southwest to something somewhere. And whatever it is, friendship is challenging. It's definitely a challenge right now. So I'm telling you right now, it feels as though someone we were aligned with has crossed the line, or we've crossed their line, and now we're getting in the position. That's scary. Conflict. What is conflict? What is the 5 of wands here? What is the 5 of wands? What is the 5 of wands? What is the 5 of wands? Maybe they do this all the time, but this is like the second. They didn't do it last night, but they did it the afternoon before, and scared the bejesus out of me. Okay, I got my car. Overburdensome fell down. It over here. Turn my cards back up here. Uh, maybe I'm just no. It sounds like that you cannot ignore. What is the five of? I'm not sending this out to alarm anybody. I'm the one whose nerves are shattered right about now. I just thought I would share it with you. This is vexing my spirit to no end. And come on. Come on, get in there. What is the five of wands? Okay. We have some changes in hope. That doesn't look good. We have the tower. We have the moon. We have something came up. No, it didn't come up out of the moon. Something came up. Moon deals with deception. Whatever deception that has come about has caused a tower. And now folks are up in arms. Let me see if I can scan the news and see what the heck is going on here, because somebody's caught up in their head here to move forward. You're talking about using willpower. This does not look good. Let me put these over here. Let me go back to my Rider Waits and at the bottom of the deck, see what's going on. I don't see. Okay. Legacy, family, the corporation. A lot of things going on, a lot of confusion, things happening quickly, people watching it, spying on it, king getting ready to make a decision, trying to hand somebody what they don't want. People are holding on to what they have, financial security. Folks are emotionally walking away from a situation. Some are even moving out of the way. Deals with licensing, title, ownership. A choice has been made between the Hierophant. This is the government. This, for me, is the state, but whatever. And here we have the Queen of Cups, mother instinct, maternal instinct. It's also a protective instinct. And we have the Magician trying to pull things together based on some maternal instinct, trying to move to calmer waters, calmer seas, calmer emotions. And here we have a Queen of Swords going on. Okay, looking out to the future, seeds have been planted, and here come the rewards. What is going on? Presentation, separation, and the sun. Hmm. 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 Folks, I hope it's nothing but an air show that's going on near me that I just didn't know anything about. But it surely did vex my spirit. Let's see. Is there anything else I can use to find out? Oh, yes. Hold on. Hold on. Let me pull all these together. I don't like these little cards here. It's like a mini show of force. Mini show of force. A presentation. Separation. You know, they could be going home or they could be going down to Florida, but they looked to me like they were heading in the wrong direction. I don't know. I just did not like what I see. I still feel a little shaky right about now. I gotta call on my vet friends. What does it mean when two jets fly over your household? Low. But it is cloudy, so I do understand about that. I'm gonna do it this way. goes over here. I'm not satisfied, as you can tell. Definitely not satisfied with these answers. No, DC's are different. Is not that way. They were going somewhere. Oh, no, they were going somewhere else. They were not going to DC. Like I said, maybe they're going to another air show somewhere, but there goes another one. False alarm. That was just a helicopter. By the time I got out there, it was still flying. The first time it happened a couple days ago, by the time I got to the door, they were gone. Okay. All right. What is invisible? What is invisible? What is invisible? Yeah, I'm spooked, y'all. I'm spooked. What is invisible? I do one of my mantras. You. Had I not been so excited, I would have known by the sound of it that was just a helicopter. Yeah. Take here. Okay, what is invisible? Oh, jeez. Yeah, something's going on. I have the Chariot. This is willful force. Seven of Pentacles. Is it worth sending all this power out there? Boom shakalaka. This is the Tower. I want to, Queen of Cups energy. You know, the United States can also be the Queen of Cups. We showing force to somebody. Not too much force. They're the two. Huh, that's invisible. Okay. So we're intimidating somebody. All right. Honesty. What is honesty? What is honesty? What is honesty? So that was a mini, like I said, a mini micro show of force. Where y'all going? Honesty. What is honesty? What is honesty? Excuse me. All tied up, don't know what to do. Eight of swords, two of swords. All tied up, don't know what to do. Don't know what to tell the world. Oh, be honest. Fulfillment. Fulfillment. That's success. Put these down. Let me see what the rest of these cards have to say. I'm going to read the House of Wisdom deck from the bottom. Understanding. And here we have the High Priestess of Earth, meaning money and territory are involved. Oh, geez. It's complicated. It is forbidden. Movement. They have a horse. I saw two planes. We have differences here. Somebody has pulled a fast one. And I don't know if I couldn't. I think they may have been Navy jets. Let it go, Carol. Let it go, Grand Madam. Let it go. The Grove. Obedience. Conclusion. Boy, I think I may have stepped into something here. And I'm going to put these cards away right now. Because basically, like I said, that was a mini micro show of force. As if to say, I can have my jets here in the next 5 minutes. What you gonna do? Wow. Okay. Uh, Conclusion. And here we have that grove, that special grove. And here we, you know what? It can also be an exercise. That could be an exercise, but only two at a time, I guess. War games. War games. Either way, it seems as though I've been told to let it go. So I'm going to let it go, mind my business, and go into a deep, deep meditation to calm my nerves. Who is the woman we have in charge who can make an order like that? Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I forgot about her for a moment. Well, it could be war games just to uh, provide a demonstration for a woman in a very high position, government position. You know who I'm not talking about, not saying. Um, oh, they're upside down. And it could have just been in exercise, but they have exercised me to my last nerve here. If anything else comes up, folks, I'll let you know. This is Grand Madam. I need to take a pill.